watching something on your phone than it is to have this headset on without it.
But do the people around you say
I mean, my wife claims that I feel less isolated.
okay, interesting.
So-
Yeah, I mean, like for yourself, yeah, you can see everyone. But you,
Yeah.
but she's saying that like, yeah, no, it looks like.
Here in Santa Clara County, we had wind gusts of 89 miles per hour. So as you can imagine, the damage is extensive, it's significant. Here on Blossom Hill Road, we had two different circuits that were impacted, power poles that were broken by very large trees coming down.
At one point during the weekend, more than 100,000 Southgate PG&E customers were without power.
Great signals from all over the body. They're ideal sources for looking for evidence of cancer. Even